Example 5 says which input is not in the domain and why not. So we think about which value or values of x are restricted, or like can't happen, are not possible. So we have 3 times x is the first piece of our function. So you think about it, is there any number you can't multiply 3 by? And there is not a number in the world that we can't multiply by 3. So that has no restriction on x. The second part of our function has 1 divided by x. So is there anything we cannot divide 1 by? And there is something. You can't divide by 0. That's always a big thing with our input values. So we can't divide by 0. So x cannot equal 0. And that would be an input that does not get included in our domain, and that was their question. So the why not part is that you can't ever divide by 0. And then the last part of our function is x cubed. So think about, is there any number that you cannot cube? And all the numbers would work for that, because you could cube negative numbers, you can cube positive numbers, you could cube 0 if needed, you could cube anything. So it would never be restricted for something cubed, but only that piece in the middle caused some problems. So we can't divide by 0, so therefore x cannot equal 0. And that is all for example.